because we have this connection for items to a request, I can show the connected records. So I can show every item contained in that request, and I'm here in this table showing the title, the description, the amount, the attachments, and the status. So I can move this, right? So I can edit this. There you go. And you can see that it updates automatically, right? So by using the show connected records part, I can show tables that are connected to that main table. And you could do this with many things, right? It doesn't have to be only one thing. In other live streams, we did like project management, and you had tasks, but also you had like expenses for that project. So you could apply that same logic to more than two tables, right? And also one thing, I'm only showing in this table, you can see that I have a filter, only requests that are in the status new request. So as soon as I click on approve or deny, it's going to vanish from this table.